Hey divers! Nice to meet you. My name is Yusuke, and I'm doing my diving activity with my pen name called DiverLounge. In this channel, I would like to introduce the dive sites in Japan. I hope I can introduce as much as possible, which will make you attractive. Okay, first dive site I want to choose is Miyako Island. There are more than 100 dive sites in Miyako Island. Today, I'm gonna pick up 5 dive sites which I experienced. Now let's go! Number 1. Nikkoishi Mahal. The maximum depth of this point is close to 30 meters, and the entrance will be this hole, which depth is still on 5 meters. The hole continues straightly to the deepest place of this point, which you could recognize entrance is smaller than when you entered. And after going through the cave, you could see this exit. Don't you think you have seen this point before? Yeah, that character. This brightly, mystery, somehow cute exit is the most impressive point of this dive site. Number 2. Nakanoshima Channel. This site is recommended especially to the beginner diver, which depth is close to 15 meters. Here we go through long channel between rocks and rocks, which looks like the sort of the maze inside the sea. You can enjoy the light from the sky, and also the darkness by the rock, and your breeze bubble disappearing to that world. Not only the landscape, you can find the small, colorful marine life like these shrimps. Wide and macro. This is the place we can enjoy both. Number 3. Antoni Gaudi. It's a little strange that the name of the dive site is one of the famous architects in the history. Well, but you will understand after looking this site. This site is one of the big 3 dive sites of Miyako Island. After going through this entrance, you could see many arches written by rock, which firstly cannot believe that this is all made in natural. Reaching to the bottom, which depth is close to 30 meters, you can overlook spectacular, artistic, grateful sight. Big scale, and the sunlight will impress us that we're in another world from usual. Number 4. Sangha Hall. Basically in Japanese, Sangha means coral, but in this case, it also means 3, 5, 35, which means the depth of this site is 35 meters. After entry from the boat, you need to go down the drop-off, which is the depth is from 10 meters to 35 meters, like an elevator. And here is the entrance of Sangha Hall. Inside is the really dark cave, but there's someone living here. The shark is what it calls white-tipped reef shark. He's really friendly, that doesn't hesitate to appear in the diver's photo. And this trip ends with the exit, which is similar to Heart Mark. Number 5. Satan's Palace. This site is another big 3 dive sites in Miyako Island. To reach to the palace, you need to go through the several complicated landscape. Wow, it's so narrow. After this narrow channel, you can finally reach to this base point. It's surrounded by dark, silent cave, but the sunlight literally comes from the roof and illuminates the place that makes there looks like the bedroom of Satan. Well, finally, don't you think the name really suits to this site? How do you like it? I'll keep on introducing dive sites in Japan in this channel, so if you like it, please subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye!